So today I'm going to give you my thoughts on my philosophy when it comes to these gadgets and things that I promote here on the channel. And generally, I am someone that, feels like you do get what you pay for. And generally, that is a pretty solid way to look at things, in my opinion. I know a lot of people do. But there's also times where you may find yourself wanting the best of the best, but it may not really be the gadget or the device that's best suited for you, in that you're not going to use what it's best at. And in this case, I'm going to be talking about a tablet, which is the X109 from a company. I'm not sure how to say it. I think it's URAO. It's URAO. And it is a 10.1 inch Android tablet. And it comes with a combination of RAM. Now, it's one of the things I was going to say is they'll advertise it as a 30 gig RAM tablet, but what that is virtual RAM and actual DDR RAM. It's 128 gig capacity as far as the storage goes, but it's nice that it has a SD slot so you can expand the memory. So your storage is never going to be a problem. There's quite a few other nice things about it that I'm going to show you, but it has Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6. So, I mean, it's really up to date, and it's running the latest Android 16 operating system. But to get back to what I was saying about paying the most, and getting the best, in some cases, like I'm just going to use myself as an example. I found, after owning numerous since the first iPad was released, owning many of those and even some of the latest ones, and I continue to use them and love them. And I'm not saying they're bad. They're great for pretty much everything you want to do because they're so powerful. Well, I found that I use it for consumption. I don't use it for the extras that it gives. I don't use it for crunching heavy numbers or running really complex games or video editing, anything like that. I find myself using it to watch Netflix, to watch YouTube, browse the web, maybe go to Amazon and buy some stuff. That's those sort of things. And even maybe play a mobile game or two. And for the most part, a much lesser tablet, much less expensive tablet could work for you just as well when you're not really using all that horsepower. Now, you may find some little bit of lagginess and things like that, but when considering what most people use this for, I think a tablet like this can be actually the right choice for a lot of people.
So I'm going to go through and just show you me installing an application here. I'm doing ChatGPT just as an example. I'll show you how easy that is to install. I'm not going to go through everything that you can do on Android. That's definitely outside of the scope of this video. But you can see the different choices you have here, including your system info, which will tell you about the device itself. It shows you your RAM state, your resolution, which is 1280 by 800. There is your Wi-Fi MAC addresses, all the extra information that you need about your tablet. And in here, you're actually able to update your system, and it'll show you right here that there is a Google Play update available, and you can download it right here just by pressing the download button. It will download it and install. And just here's a real quick demo of the camera. These are not very high resolution cameras, but they work, and they're actually pretty sharp. So, I mean, for basic picture, you could definitely see like the dog hair on my keyboard. So just wanted to give you a quick example of that. So there you go. There's my quick review of the X109 Android tablet from URAO. And I think it's a great buy for the right person. So let me know what you think.